Do you have an ATO debt that your bank won't refinance? This is something that we're seeing quite a bit lately. A lot of the major banks, customers are going to their major banks asking for loans to consolidate their debt or to essentially pay out their ATO obligations. Majority of the big four are sort of saying, no, we won't give loans out to pay out ATO debt because it's not treated as a home loan style product. One thing that I would recommend is definitely speak to your broker about how to refinance ATO obligations, because it is becoming more of a serious matter and definitely a lot more expensive. So the ATO's really rarely extending terms like to 3 years to pay off ATO obligations, sometimes giving 2 and maybe 1 year. So that really stretches people's cash flow. The other thing as well is it's no longer tax deductible. So if you have that ATO debt with the ATO, then you aren't able to sort of use it as a tax deduction, where we have multiple lenders sort of on our panel that are comfortable with refinancing ATO obligations, whether it be via a full doc loan or a low doc loan. It's a case where, rates are in some cases a little bit higher, but not as high as the 10.78 that the ATO is charging. It'd be a case where you'd look at sort of some of these lenders, and even if it's just for 1 year, for example, and we can review the loan again and potentially go back to one of the major lenders or another lender for a much cheaper rate. So again, to give you a bit of an indication, rates for these style of lenders, if it's a low doc loan, can range from low to mid sixes, give or take, sometimes a bit more, sometimes a bit less. But please reach out to your broker, because there definitely are options out there.